Hello, this is an installment of a Mark 1 on top of RV air conditioning, and when these are being used on a 72 hours, long time usage, I don't mess around. Because we want to have a good customer, keep a good customer, keep the customers happy. So I'm installing this new unit complete system, except for the bottom half, into the RV. That's what you have to do at times when you want good AC and keep customers happy. No comebacks. Well, that's my belief. No comebacks, no problem. Don't want to hear nothing. Don't want to talk about nothing. No vibration. The old one that's been vibrating up there for so many hours and sitting in the sun. It's no good. Have a nice day. God bless.